here.
Did I hear Klee? Must be my imagination.
Da, da, da.
I knew it!
What did you use that for?
That is the Poco Buds Pro Klee Edition, right? Brother.
A few moments later.
Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, suddenly I want to go home, but you see lah outside, it's raining yeah. Then some got sound cars driving here and there, doing like that. Okay, I can hear the thunder already.
Yeah, not very clear.
Yeah, later I call you again.
Can.
Yeah, because I'm using my Poco earbuds.
Oh,
Don't know
really?
whether you can hear it well or not.
Not bad.
Yeah, alright, so see you man. Bye.
Hey bro! Oh, wait. Sorry. Just now noise cancellation. I cannot hear you. Eh, you play Mobile Legends or not? But I not that good. Never mind. I just need play with friend only. Oh, can lah, can. Sure. Later tonight. Later tonight. Call, you just add me lah. Call lah. Cantik ya bro. See you.
Hey man, thank you for joining me to play Pro. Yeah, I know your skill level not be good, but I just need a friend to play with me for the event. Yeah, I just need to play like 1 or 2 games before you can go to sleep. Yeah, I just need to do the event so that you can get the statue. Yeah, so I appreciate you a lot man for joining. Alright, so let's do this man.
Defeat.
Why? Forgot low latency lah. Oh, don't have the button also here. Oh well. Cantik.
Hey man, you want any drink or not? Yeah, currently I'm in Starbucks and the place is quite noisy due to, rush hour. Yeah, you want any drink? Don't want lah. Oh, you have a drink already? Oh, okay. I thought I want to buy you a drink lah because since I'm here already. Oh, you don't want it's okay? Okay. Alright, see you. Bye.
5 minutes later.
Finally, I got my drink, man. Oh, wow, suddenly so crazy here. It's like as if like a big ass fan is in front of my face. Oh no. Better quickly go to my house. Alright. Finally reached to my home. Oh, there's something on my mailbox. Oh, it's the Poco Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition. I wonder what's inside, man. Let's open it up.
Okay, so this is the Poco Buds Pro Edition, and you can see it is a nice and big chunky boy with a black matte finish box with the word Poco Buds Genshin Impact Edition. So first thing you open, you will see the book that represents Klee. So when you first open up, you are greeted with the Klee bag. Yeah, so inside of this, there's the instruction booklet and all the other fun stuff. And here you have 3 different sizes of earbuds from small, medium and large. You have USB Type-C cable with the Pyro logo like here, you can see. And also it comes with the keychain to hook up your earbuds. Then now inside this you have the Genshin Impact earbud with Klee backpack. Look at that. It has the, you can smell the leather right here. It's like fresh. Yeah, so it's a button. You can see it's a button. And this is the earbuds right here. Beautiful, very beautiful. And this is how you hook it up, and then tada, this is how you hold it onto your backpack. And as you can see, this is the backpack of Klee, so it is like as if she is carrying the bomb. So when you open it, you get the Poco Pro earbud. I must say the backpack feels very premium. It feels like it's made of real leather, as you can see. And this, at the back here, you can see it says here Poco, Genshin Impact and MiHoYo right here. Other than that, there's a logo of the Pyro. And inside it is nothing much, and it's stitched well. It represents the Klee's backpack. This is the earbud. At the front, you can see that there's a button here to check the power indicator right here. And at the back, there is the Klee's logo. And the bottom is the Type-C charging port, and it has a very subtle gold color trim around it, which is, I found it interesting. Gold color trim with the internal is black and the surrounding is all red. Quite nice and feel a bit heavy. So one thing that I noticed, that the moment you open the earbud, it will automatically try to pair to any phone that is nearby, that is with a Wi-Fi enabled. So the moment I open it, it will automatically try to connect to the phone, which is, it will say there, find Poco Buds Pro X Genshin Impact, and then just press connect, which is similar to how AirPods works. And once it's done, it will show how many battery left on the left and the right, and also the case. Once you're already paired, you can just press and hold on the Bluetooth button, and you can click, and you can see the indicator right here, how much battery there is in the case and the earbuds. And there's an additional option right now. You can see there is a noise cancellation, transparency mode, or you can turn it off. There's a update for it. If you can check for update if there's any, and then you can just rename it if you want to. And this is the usual settings that you have, but for gestures wise, it has in-ear detection, so it will automatically turn off the moment you plug it in and plug it out. It will also allow you to connect 2 different Bluetooth devices simultaneously, which is, I found it quite cool. You can just turn it off if you don't want other people to connect to your earbud. And there's an option automatically, and it also shows the notification widget that is connected, but if you don't want, you can just turn it off, it will not be there. And there's a ear tip test if you want to see how best the sound will be. And missing phone alert is good if you are the person who tend to lose your earbuds instead of the case. So you can use this missing alert if it's too far away. After 3 minutes, they will give you a notification. And once you click on the find your earphones, you can play left or right or both to play on the sound of the earbuds, and it will have this kind of beat. This way, if in case you're nearby, you can still hear it. Come to think of it, what happened to the backpack? Yeah, the backpack actually is with me here right now, and I don't know where to hook it up, because if I put inside this backpack, I scared it might get lost. So what am I supposed to do with this? Yeah, true. You little scared people steal your earbud inside the backpack, right? But I remember you got a teddy bear. Maybe you can use it. No? Oh, you mean this guy? Yeah, sure. Why not, right? I have a bag. I have a bag. Ooh, a backpack bag. Oh my god. Anyway, I want to ask, that whole thing Is it more expensive than if I buy like the other Xiaomi Mi Buds that looks almost the same? I'm pretty sure that's more expensive, right? Yeah, anyway, the Mi Buds and the Poco Buds Pro, it's actually about the same price, surprisingly. You can get as cheap as $99 if you can still get it. I mean, like, it's usually out of stock, but maybe they will come back. But if you can get it on the flash sale, it's about just 79 bucks. That is almost the same price as the original Mi Buds. And the function is almost the same. It's just the color is different. Yeah, it's like... NANI?